In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact page in Squarespace. It's a straightforward process that can greatly enhance the user experience on your website by providing visitors with a way to get in touch easily. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Squarespace. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your website settings and features. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Squarespace account. From here, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll notice an icon for your profile, so go ahead and click on that. This action will allow you to access all the websites you manage. Next, you'll need to select the website you want to work on. If you have multiple websites, ensure you're choosing the right one. Once that's set, look towards the left side of your screen and click on Pages. This will show you all the pages currently available on your site, and from here, we can add new ones. To add a new page, locate the plus icon beside the Main Navigation section. Click on this plus sign to begin creating your new page. A menu will appear where you can choose Page Layouts, a really handy feature that allows you to start with a pre-designed template. Since we're focusing on a contact page today, click on Contact. You'll then be presented with various layout options. Choose one that best fits your style and needs. Now comes the part where you can add a title for your page. You might want to keep it simple, like Contact Us, but remember, you can always change it later if you think of a better name. Following that, dive into the Edit mode by clicking Edit to start customizing your page. In the page editor, you have the flexibility to modify various blocks. Feel free to adjust the details according to your specific needs. You can rearrange the blocks to improve the appearance or functionality of the page. Additionally, if you find blocks are missing, you can add them to create a more comprehensive contact page. Consider adding a newsletter block too. This is a great way to allow visitors to input their email addresses, subscribing to your updates or newsletters if you offer them. It can be an excellent tool for keeping in touch with your audience. And that's pretty much it. With these steps, you now have a fully functional contact page on your Squarespace site. Feel free to go back and make any further edits or enhancements as necessary. Don't forget to save your changes before exiting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes it easier for you to connect with your audience effectively.